bunch of paint cans. About an inch apart. There's two cameras. 22, JC Higgins, mile 31. Boom. One shot. Alright, well, we knocked them almost all off. We knocked 12 off. Boy, just barely. Might actually be a bullet in that one. Definitely 7. 8. And I got silver paint all over. 9. Okay, well, we got 10. With holes in them. Get another bag of paint cans. 14. I got 15 up there this time. This could be a case where the 22 moving at 1,200 feet per second just plugs along and goes through 10 cans, whereas the 223 hitting those cans at about 3,000 feet per second might actually deflect and save a few of them. So we'll see what happens here. 15 up there. Check that again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 15 cans, 2 unshot ones over there. Well, that was fun. God, I hope that came out on video. Good Lord, what a mess, huh? How was that, guys? Not hardly any talking at all. You didn't even have to listen to me. That was fun, though. I hope I didn't paint my camera from the mist. That was a lot more fun than the way we have to puncture those cans at work. Yeah. Definitely have to make this a ritual. Anyway, paint can puncturing. That was fun.